Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel a pending PayPal transaction. First, it's important to understand that not every pending payment can be stopped. You'll need to quickly check your PayPal account's activity section. Locate the specific transaction you wish to cancel. If it's eligible, you should see a cancel button right next to the payment details. This initial step is crucial for determining your next actions. Once logged in, your next step is to find the transaction. Head over to the Activity or History tab, usually found on your main dashboard. This section lists all your recent payments, both completed and pending. Carefully scroll through to identify the exact payment that is currently pending. It's vital to select the correct one to proceed with any cancellation attempts. After locating the pending transaction, click on it to open its detailed view. Within these details, you should actively search for a button or link labeled Cancel Payment, Cancel, or something similar. If this option is present, click it. PayPal will likely ask you to confirm your decision. Carefully review the information and confirm to finalize the cancellation process. If you don't see a cancellation option, or if the payment has already completed, you still have recourse. Your first step should be to directly contact the recipient and politely request a refund. If that doesn't work, you can open a dispute through PayPal's Resolution Center. Provide all the necessary transaction details and any supporting evidence to help your case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.